Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm Elena and today I am explaining the morning star candle pattern, which is a reversal pattern. In this video, I'll explain what the morning star pattern is, what it consists of, and then we will move to the different types of morning star patterns. And then I will show you some real chart examples and give you some tips about identifying this strong reversal pattern. So if you're ready, let's move on. The morning star pattern is a reversal pattern which shows the possible trend change from downtrend to uptrend. It consists of 3 candles, which the first one is a big red candle, and second one is a small bodied red candle or a doji candle like this, and the third one is big green candle. So what the morning star pattern needs is first a downtrend. The first thing that we're looking for is a downtrend, and then we are looking for this combination of 3 candles. So we're looking for 3 candle pattern, and then other factors like other indicators or other signs like RSI, or it can be MACD indicator. Here we have other types of morning star candle patterns. The first one and the second one, which the second one helps us to identify the morning star pattern clearly. If it appears as a doji candle between the two bearish and bullish candle, it explains the indecision in the market better. So it is more clear to identify this morning star pattern. So what we're looking for is red big candle, then a doji candle, and then a green big candle. This is the combination that we need for identifying the morning star pattern on our charts. Let's move on and see some example charts together. Here we have the pound Aussie 30-minute chart, and here we see a morning star pattern which appears after a downtrend. We see a downtrend here, and it appears at the end of this downtrend, showing us a strong signal of reversal from bearish to bullish. So the first thing we're looking for is a downtrend, and then after that, here we're looking for 3 candles. The first one a big red candle, the second one a small bodied red candle, and the third one a big green candle. As a confirmation, here we have a big green candle after our first green candle. We can enter a long trade in this part, put our stop loss below the shadow of this red candle, and we can have our take profit, our first take profit here. You can put your second take profit in this part here, and the third one here in this part. These are some additional tips for you to better understand the morning star candle pattern and to remember it. So take a screenshot, and if you like this video, just hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more candlestick pattern videos.